Today, we're going to be doing some garden chores. After sharing my sad Super Tunia bubble gums, many of you asked how often I have been fertilizing. To be honest, I've been definitely slacking on my fertilizing this summer. So I went to the garden center, got some liquid fertilizer, and we will be feeding the annuals today. I regret planting these dark sweet potato vines. Now, I did like them in the planters I did last year, but this year they've kind of overtaken the planters in a way I don't like. And I think I don't know, these planters are not my favorite this year. Okay. I'm not loving them, but I'm going to make do. I found some lighter green sweet potato vines at Lowe's that I'm going to replace the dark ones with. So I'm going to take these out, put in these lime green ones, and hopefully it'll give me a little bit more color that I'm looking for. The dark sweet potato vines are just making it, I don't know, it just looks a little sad. These planters look a little sad to me. I prefer more overgrowth of flowers, and I'm just not getting the vibes I'm looking for here. Okay. My hope with this planter was that these geraniums would fill it up, and for some reason they're not. I don't know why. So I went ahead and bought two extra of those lime green potato vines to plant in here, and hopefully it'll kind of fill up these areas that are bare and just give it a fuller look for the end of summer here. One thing I do like about the geraniums is they will stay flowering well into fall. Like last year, all my other planters had died and I ripped them out and the I left the geraniums and I didn't even water them and they were continuing to flower all fall. So I do like this planter. I don't know how well the sweet potato vines will last, but I do know that these geraniums will last a while. I was going to do part of this fertilizing tonight and then finish it up in the morning, but decided to just keep going, even though it was so hot outside. I felt like I was melting, and we had already worked all day down in the shade gardens. But I decided I'm just going to get this done so tomorrow I don't have to, worry about finishing up my fertilizer. I emptied my last bottle, and I'm just going to go ahead and finish it up tonight so I can get it done and get this chore marked off my list. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video today. I am absolutely blown away with how many of you guys love these videos. If you liked this video, please show it some love in the comments below. If you enjoy watching gardening, working in the yard videos, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.